Hello everyone, this is our factory Solidpack. Follow me and take a look at our factory. This is our design office. When we receive the order, designing and drawing is the first step. According to the customer's product and bottle, we will design the layout for the customer. After design is completed, send it to the CNC department. Look, this is our CNC workshop. According to the parts drawn by the designer after inputting the parameters. Automatic processing and production will be carried out. Some parts need skilled workers to make. This is the second floor of our factory. It's the spare part warehouse required by the machine. These accessories are neatly arranged on the shelf. You can see this. This is the Panasonic servo motor that the filling machines need. You can see the thickness of the conveyor belt. You can see the thickness. This is operation room and assembly room. Assemble the parts of the machines here. This is where our product and machine inventory goes. You can see that we have lots of labeling machines and filling machines in stock. The overall area of our factory is close to 4,000 square meters. We support customization of various types of packing machinery. If you need to package products, you need a whole filling line and you need professional service. Please contact the professional factory, Solidpack.